Hosokawa Micron Powder Systems offers a full suite of mechanical, process, electrical, and equipment-related services.
We offer quite a bit. I think that our service is second to none. Not only do we perform mechanical service, field maintenance for example, preventative maintenance, but we also can perform process optimization. Aside from field service, we can provide remote service. So we have the capability potentially to plug into our customers' PLCs remotely. So one of our controls engineers could assess and audit their code, look for certain alarms, and look at optimizing the system from the office here versus doing it on site.
At Hosokawa, we design our systems to be flexible so that our equipment can adapt to the ever-changing production needs. In addition to the flexible design of our systems, we offer a full suite of support to keep it running satisfactory and minimize the downtime.
So our field service technicians and engineers are trained here in our test center. They're trained here in engineering, they're trained here in sales. We have a good group of people, good cross-section of disciplines, experience levels.
We do our best to stay in touch with the customers and ensure that our equipment is operating to its fullest capacity, not only at the time of commissioning, but maybe 1 year, 2 years down the road.
We're local. Number one, a lot of our competition is not local. When called upon anywhere in the contiguous US, or for that matter even Hawaii or Alaska, we can have someone there within a day or so.
For any technical inquiries, service requests, or general support, you can reach out to us via phone, email, or at our website.